How juicy. Oh my God. I have all my ingredients here. I'm using fresh apple cider, pineapple juice, as you can see here. Also, a cup of brown sugar. Also, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Because what it does, it thickens the glaze. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You're going to mix together. Now I'm going to warm it a little. This beautiful ham, as you can see here, roasted. I have it here now over, I would say, just half an hour. Just keep stirring this because you want to have a little thickness in it. It has to be warm. So what I have here, fresh apple cider, fresh pineapple juice, cornstarch, cinnamon. So this is warm. You turn off your burner. You have to pour this over the ham. So this is the brown sugar, the pineapple juice, and the apple cider. You pour everything over the ham. Wow! You smell this ham? Oh my God, it's not done yet, but I can smell it. Very, very nice. So here I have like maybe around 3 pounds of red skin potatoes. Potatoes gonna be roasted. You hear that? Wow! Can you see this ham? And of course, yes, you're gonna use the juice to baste the ham. Just use the juice that I put in there a while ago. This ham is around 13 pounds or 12 pounds when I bought it. I cooked it to get out some of the excess salt or sodium that was there already. Okay, so you put some of the juice also on top of the potatoes. Wow, I can smell the aroma. You can put at around 400 degrees right now. And remember this cooker, it can do anything. It can bake, roast, fry, anything like that you want to do. You just use this cooker. It's one of the best investment that I've ever gotten. Okay, so now I have my fresh string beans here, washed and cleaned. Just put a small amount of salt. So now let me check on my ham. Wow, and the potatoes. Wow. Can you smell this? Now this is it. Wow. Oh yes, look at the juice. Can you hear it? Yes, Lord. This is Aunty Rose Christmas ham. My folks, I wish you were all right here because we would all partake of this wonderful, wonderful ham. Oh, yes. All right, so I'm gonna turn down my thermostat here to around 200. All right, and here the string beans. You see that? Green, very nice green. Just blanch it. It don't take a long time to cook. Just take, oh, the aroma in this. Remember, I put a little salt, not plenty, okay? All right, I will be taking out the ham and I'm gonna put it right here. I'm just gonna decorate with the fennel. This is also edible. You can also blanch it. You can also put it in soups. You know, whatever way you want, you can also do that. As I told you, this was a easy cooking from Aunty Rose's kitchen. This ham, it takes around 20 minutes, as I said. This is the apple cider, pineapple, brown sugar glazed ham. I also have my roasted red skin potatoes and also my fresh string beans. I have little fennel here as decorations. As I said, it can be blanched, it can put in soups, and I also have my pineapples here because the pineapples is going to give a lovely tangy taste to the ham. This is coming from the Aunty Rose's kitchen, and here I'm going to show you how juicy. Oh my God. Look at the steam coming. Oh, you smell it? Wow. Whenever I'm eating meats, I always like to see a bone. Then I know it's real meat. Look how juicy. Aunty Rose's Christmas ham. Oh, I wish you was here to taste some of this it just coming off the bone. Okay, so as I said, this is one of the easiest Christmas dinner that you could fix for your family. Easy as 1, 2, 3. You baked your ham just around 20 minutes. Remember, I told you it was pre-cooked, but I prefer to also cook my meats again. And I also have my roasted red skin potatoes, fresh green beans. This is coming from Aunty Rose's kitchen. Wow, look at this. Oh yes, look at it. Look at it. Oh folks, I thank you very, very much. Please subscribe and leave your comments. And I thank you very, very much. Wow. Aunty Rose's kitchen. Wow. And I'm gonna enjoy this ham. Wow. Folks, remember, my kitchen is a very fast cooking kitchen. Juicy, very, very nice. And for all the mothers out there who have kids, whenever you want to cook something nutritious and very quick, this is going to be the go-to kitchen. You do not need to spend hours in the kitchen. Remember, I told you, you don't want to be exhausted, that when your guests arrive, you are so tired that you cannot enjoy your dinner. This is my lovely pineapple glazed ham. Thank you. Merry, Merry Christmas to you all from Aunty Rose's kitchen. Thank you. Please subscribe and leave your comments. And I thank you very, very much. And this is coming from Aunty Rose's kitchen. Wow.